Good evening, folks. Doing the main challenge for Blake now for his Tatum Fastbreak Prizm challenge. 5. And we got Rimp 2, mini winner 2 on the bottom. That mini's been running 1, putting that list in the randomizer at 9:14 PM local time. Rimp on top, mini winner on the bottom, dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. That's mini winner 2, sorry. 11 times, a nice big randomizing. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times mini winner 1 on top, and our final time at 9:14. Congrats to spot 4 mini winner 1. We had to go 11 times and did go 11 times. There's a verification code at the bottom. Mini winner 1 is our winner. Congrats. Challenge complete.